Okay, so when you buy our kits, when you buy our slide frame kit, it comes with written instructions. It comes with 2 pieces of memory glass. It comes with the foil that you're going to use to seal the edges. And it comes with a popsicle stick. Now let's see, I'm going to grab one of these vellums. And I'm going to sandwich the vellum between the memory glass. There we go. See how that peels apart like that? I want to kind of center your memory glass on the foil so that you've got roughly the same amount protruding on this side as you do on this side. And then we walk this around. So as you're peeling this back, you're walking this around, and you're trying to keep it so that it's about in the center. Now we're going to peel. The worst thing you could ever do would be to unpeel this whole thing, and then you'll have a heck of a time. So we want to walk this around. Let's see. Okay, so I hope you can see that we have this wrapped all the way around, protruding off of both the front and the back. Now the trick to this is not to get in a rush. So we're going to start by gently creasing this, and I tend to like to brush this way. And now that I've got it, then I can go back and I can burnish it down, and it does become smoother. When you do it the right way, it turns out looking nice and smooth and very high end.